She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Cheyenne's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is certainly going to be quick and easy. I'm going to go ahead and whip up a delicious Cobb salad. So this Cobb salad is going to be filled with delicious flavors and vegetables. We've got the Italian grilled chicken. If you guys have not seen my video on that, please go ahead and check that out. We've got blue cheese, avocado, eggs, onions, tomatoes, bacon, and of course some romaine lettuce. And then along with a homemade vinaigrette, you can't go wrong, guys. So hopefully you are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed still, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so this is a quick and easy take on a Cobb salad. We've got the avocado, bacon, eggs, blue cheese, Italian grilled chicken, tomatoes, onions. Then we topped it off with that homemade vinaigrette that just added a whole nother flavor. If there's some things you guys don't like, go ahead and take them out. If there's some things you want to add, go ahead and add them. Just make it work. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, and if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.